What's up? So today is Friday, November 7th. So the other recordings for the earlier week probably got messed up because well they did because my mic was messed up. My mic should be all good now. So there's my mouse. So yeah, hopefully everything should sound good. I'm definitely gonna check the audio after stream though, make sure I'll triple check, make sure everything's good. I'll see if I need to like lower it maybe, the audio. But to my understanding it should be listenable now. But so for my bias. So, I mean, I'm bearish. We're moving pretty bearish. I could see a small reaction because maybe we could react off some of these external range lows for maybe a very short rebalance. Maybe that's like the only bullish thing I could see. Only because too, I mean, it's on the weekly chart. Actually, wow, look at this on the weekly. Wow, the daily chart's not looking good either. Honestly, yeah, honestly, it's almost like we've changed structure and moved bearish. Like unless we maybe sweep out some of these internal lows here, start reacting off them. But yeah, I'm pretty bearish. I guess this is a trading view issue where it does this to me. If I go between M and Q, let's fix it. I'll just restart my trading view. Whatever, it doesn't matter that much. I don't need the 930 candle. You said I can't call it when it's a news day? I mean, what you're saying, there's news today? I mean, because, I mean, there's news it's orange folder news at 10 a.m. So, I mean, if I can get a trade pretty, like, early on before that, I would take it, but I wouldn't take a trade directly before that news, but it's only orange folder. I mean, and for me to take like a bearish continuation trade, I'd have to see this high get swept maybe. You said Forex Factory's off when I check on mobile. Red red news unemployment an hour ago. I mean, well, there was supposed to be unemployment claims, but I mean, they changed it because the government shut down. I mean, the only thing coming out right now is I know there is orange folder news at 10 a.m. I'm pretty sure because Forex Factory, I feel like they're accurate the day of. So I don't think there was the 1 minute. Yeah, there definitely was not. Well, there could have been 8:30 news. Eh. So we're kind of continuing down. And this is the high I'd want to see get swept if I was looking for continuation shorts. Does that happen to anyone else where like one candle just disappears on TradingView? There's just not a 9:30 candle. So I mean, even if for for me to take continuation shorts, honestly, even if we open up like a 5 minute gap right here, let's say, trade back up into that, get a clear rejection out of that, I would take that. Because I mean, I feel like it's pretty obvious we're trending toward like this low down here on the higher time frame, and like neither NQ or ES has hit that yet, so target's still intact. Let's just continuation trade toward that. I still didn't. I refreshed the chart and I still don't have a 930 candle. That's cool. We're definitely displacing down. So I mean, I'm still bearish. I just hope I can get some form of entry before we sweep out this low because we're just dumping straight to it. So it's looking like we're probably going to sweep this low without giving me an entry, to be honest. So, I mean, for me to get an entry, I need to rebalance into a 5 or 15 minute gap. That's like part of my trading plan. You know, for the heck of it, I'm going to restart trading you one more time to see if I can get that 930 candle. I don't know why it's bothering me. Yeah, we're going to sweep that low any minute now, though. So I fully closed it. That's Forex Factory. Oh, did that fix it? Oh my god, I actually have a 930 candle. I'm so excited. But so we actually already swept the low in ES. I want to say it's the same low, right? It's actually not. So technically there's an SMT right now paired with liquidity sweep. Because the reason I say there's an SMT is because that exact low actually hasn't been swept yet. But I mean, we are in bearish order flow. It's just something to keep in mind if I start seeing a very strong reaction. I mean, most likely though, I'm probably most likely looking to take a trade where we rebalance up and just a continuation short. I should mark out that low on the higher time frame. This scroll wheel I have is so sensitive. I'm still not used to it. So this is the low with the SMT. So I mean, I guess I gotta wait until this next gap's gonna open up most likely because this is huge. This is probably gonna be a gap, and then if we once we're definitely gonna rebalance into that. Once we do, I gotta see how we react off that. Because like lower time frame, if we start getting a rejection out of that 5 minute gap, I take continuation short to be honest. This weekly candle looks crazy. Like you're really gonna take longs against that? If I did take longs, it would only be like a very small rebalance trade. I mean, I'm not saying this is gonna hold, but sometimes though, if I look at ES and I'm saying, wow, we swept this low and we're getting a clear reaction out of it, sometimes I'll use that to frame my bias for NQ. That makes sense. I mean, I don't think we're gonna react on this low to be honest, because we're just moving so bearish higher time frame. Yeah, honestly, I was gonna say the clear draw is this low on here. We already took it on ES, but I feel like if we were gonna remain bullish, we'd have to start moving up really quickly. So I still have like 2.5 minutes till this 5 minute gap would open up. Hmm. So we are getting a small reaction off this low. This gap still hasn't opened up yet. I gotta wait another like minute for this gap to open up. So yeah, we have like 45 seconds now till this gap opens up. One thing I kind of like too is when you look on the 30 second, we're kind of building up low resistance at these lows. So if we leave that behind, tap into that 5 minute, that'd be a good target. The 5 minute just opened up right now. So I mean, if we're able to come up into this 5 minute and get a clear inverse back down out of it, I would definitely take that type of short. So we just tapped into that unfilled 5-minute gap. So now I can start looking for shorts. I mean, the only thing is though, oh, there's a 2-minute gap right there. We might open up a 3-minute. Okay. So for me to take a continuation short, I have to take the highest time frame inversion right in this leg. So it looks like as of right now, the 3-minute's going to open up unless we come down like right now. The 3-minute might, okay, we're not opening at the 3-minute, so this is a 2-minute inverse. It's like a 42-point stop. I might be taking this at the close though. I need to wait until this candle closes. I definitely might be taking this. Oh my god. Give me a good close though. Oh, this close might cook me. So basically though, if we close through this 2-minute gap, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go break even at this internal low on either NQ or ES. But for me to take this, we have to close to this 2-minute gap right here. I'll show my executions planter. Okay, so I'm probably gonna take this once this 2-minute candle closes. Okay, I'm in there. Oh, nice. I did calculate my stop rate. So this might be a quick break even, to be honest. I'll show my executions in 1 second. Just going for a 1-to-1 here, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, because just confirm there's no 3-minute, no 4-minute, no 5-minute. Yeah, I mean, I'll show my executions. So this might be like an insta stop out, to be honest. Yeah, we're like so close to my stop. Oh yeah, I'm probably cooked here. This is like last line of defense already. I just took this entry. Okay, I got stopped out there. So I mean, honestly, I don't see anything wrong with that setup. I'm just looking. So now, honestly, I'll retry this. Is there a 30-second here? Dude, what is this? So we opened up this. This is a 30-second right here. There's no 1 minute. Honestly, that's a clear resweep. If I can get a good entry, I'm going to retry this, to be honest. Ooh, it's going to... This is going to be such a quick break even. Oh, I need to be break even there already. What? It took the internal low. Honestly, if I can get back to break even, I'm going to get out of this. Oh, yeah, that was my bad. If I can get back to break even, I'm getting out of this. I really shouldn't have taken that. I'm already in this. I'll just accept the risk, to be honest. I'll just go break even if we hit this low down here. And I also over risked. Because I was having trouble calculating my risk. There's a lot of excuses here. I'm about to blow this account. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the reason I shouldn't have taken that was because we took the internal low on that 30-second. And I totally miscalculated my risk there. But Yeah, because I mean, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with that. For some reason, I thought I had a tighter stop. Yeah, because I should have put my I don't know what I'm doing. It'll make me feel better though if the setup fails. Because I feel like I just saw the LR though down here. I wanted to see that get ran. So that's why in my mind I thought, you know what, I can go with this quick break even. If that makes sense. But yeah, I guess that would have failed too. I just saw the thing I liked though is I saw this reaction off these highs and I was like, we swept them out so clearly, right? I mean, now we could come back down now, but I definitely want to see how this plays out of curiosity because this is like I would have went break even down here. Yeah, honestly, I feel like even with that mistake, I mean, I guess the thing is for in terms of bearishness, we are kind of overextended, but we're just moving so bearish. I wasn't trying to take longs. We did just sweep out a higher time frame low, but yeah, whatever. I mean, I took 2 trades. I can't take any more trades for today. That's part of my trading plan. Yeah, honestly, I feel like I usually don't retry setups like that just immediately after. But the thing is that like I literally saw like we're gonna come up, sweep out that high, get such a clear reaction off that with that low resistance liquidity below. Like, yeah, I mean the thing is, I definitely should have went break even at that internal low, but it happened so quick. Honestly, I shouldn't have entered when we're that close to that low. I was just hoping there's a chance we might run through this low resistance and allow me to just hold through that real quick. It's whatever. And look, like we're sweeping this high again, react off it. I want to know if there was an SMT. Well, there was an SMT with that second trade I tried. I lied. I say there was an SMT, but those were equal highs. Honestly, yeah, that's one thing. It's not a good idea to short with swing equal highs on ES. I'm still showing my I meant to show this. But yeah, I mean there's swing equal highs on ES right there. I'm curious to see if maybe I don't think this third resweep is going to work. The only thing that would make me say maybe we could deliver down from here was there were all these equal highs in ES. But I could see that on a Friday, we could kind of trend back up because the weekly candle, like, I feel like it's going to pull back a little bit to not close that bearish. There's a chance of that. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to take any more trades today, honestly. So I mean, I'm just going to, for the heck of it, I'll go. I mean, I'm not going to bother going over the trades I took, to be honest. I'm just going to call it a week here and end, to be honest. But I don't think there's anyone here, but if there's anyone here, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace out. Enjoy your weekend.